Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CIDM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, a good, healthy day. Now, maybe not the most exciting of days, given the price wasn't exploding upwards or anything like that. But as nice as that would be for price movements to explode and go straight up every single day, that's just not the nature of the market. Price movements need to consolidate, and as long as those consolidations are occurring at higher levels, then that's what ultimately matters, and that's exactly what happened here. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watch the past videos I've done. But I've talked about this green line down here, right around that $1.40 mark, as being a key level of support. And you can see that this morning the price did come down here, but behaved absolutely beautifully. And not only did that area act as support, it also served as a bounce point as the price went, up from that area. So good to see that $1.40 did indeed hold strong. So again, maybe that's not the most exciting thing for me to sit here and say, hey, a support level held. I'm sure it's I know for sure it's definitely much more entertaining to be talking about, hey, that level of resistance was broken. But when levels of support do hold, that is, ultimately one of the more healthy things out there, because that does imply that the overall trend is continuing to be built in the upwards direction. So good to see that level hold, but it still does put all eyes right up there on that $1.60 mark, being that key area of resistance. So you're going to want to watch that moving forward as time goes on. But at the end of the day, and taking a step back, and I know I've talked about this in past videos, but just to reiterate, as long as the price keeps on putting in those higher lows, which again is what happened today, and builds those stair steps, you envision those higher lows as stair steps. That's what you want. You want stair steps being constructed in the upwards direction, and that's what's currently fully underway here. So yeah, today was, dare I say, a little bit boring, but just because something's boring doesn't mean it was bad. It was a healthy day of consolidation. Still 3 days left on the week, so let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.